Hi guys, and my name is Ngonzaki Tsuru. I'm from ntcellular.com, and today I'm going to give you a video, a tutorial on how to remove itel it2171 password. This phone is locked to a password that I don't know, so I'm going to show you. So in this tutorial we are going to use a Furious code box, and this is pick 2 for spread RAM. So we're going to use Furious code box and pick 2 spread RAM fish. So as you can see, this phone is password locked, and it's password locked, and I don't know the password of that phone. So first things first, we open our software, and then we select the it2171 from the boot mode section. Then we go to format software, format file system, and then after that we just switch off the phone. And as you can see, we press these buttons, press these 3 buttons, one and the menu button, and then the other button. So these 3 buttons, those are the boot keys. 3 buttons for your booting. So I'm now doing it. And then connect. As you can see, the phone is connected. It's not doing its thing, so let us wait and see. So the phone is now done. The security code has been removed. So now let me show you guys. The security code is already been removed. So let me switch it on. I'm not switching it on. The phone is now switching on. As you can see, we are done. The phone has been successfully removed. The password has been successfully removed by Furious code box. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and so that you can get notifications whenever we post a new video. We're going to give you a lot of videos on fashion and looking stuff. Thank you.